All right, so you see this fan here. It's not turned on. This is reading the electric field. It's an EMF sensor. This is insane. 1,500 volts per meter. It's not even turned on, all right? I felt the top of this. It's warm. And it was kind of freaking me out. And so I got this meter and tested it. This is insane. All right, let's turn it on here. And there's not a significant difference between the energy that is being radiated out of this when it's plugged in and turned off to when it's turned on. Now this, let's see here. This is emitting a field that's probably, I'm about, let's see here, 4 or 5 feet away. I'm kind of limited in my space here. Yeah, not even freaking turned on, just plugged in. You can get this from any appliance or device that's plugged in and energized because it has to fill it up with energy. So when you turn it on, it's ready to go. But that energy dissipates and gets lost, and that's evident in this electromagnetic field that I can read here and show you, that you can't see. It's called vampire energy. And it can lose anywhere from 10 to 40% of the power. So, one, it could be a fire risk if you have a fault, but two, you're losing money and power. Plus that energy goes into the air. Your biofield extends 6 feet from you. And if you are within this field, you are going to transfer the energy from one to another, vice versa. And so that energy can cause you all kinds of health problems. You're energizing organs in ways they shouldn't be. So, you can have heart palpitations, anxiety, sleeplessness, nervousness, tremors, headaches, sterility. Depends on where you are energizing, I can feel pressure in my chest the closer that I get to this and the further I move. This is a pretty strong field. 1,500 is pretty strong. Measure other things, the average, you'd be like 500 just for a small fan or a vacuum cleaner. So if you're sleeping next to some device or appliance, a cell phone charger, a clock radio, or your phone. My God, don't sleep anywhere near your phone. These will all affect you. So, anyway, just sharing information to, hopefully help.